So hey guys, welcome, and in this video I'm going to be unboxing the Tenda model AC8 AC1200 dual band gigabit wireless router. So as you can see, this supports up to 1000 Mbps of bandwidth access. It has a 28 nanometer 1 GHz gigabit CPU, and it says smart traffic prioritization. So the integrated dual band technology combines both the 2.5 GHz and the 5 GHz under one Wi-Fi name. Each of these antennas, there are 4 antennas. Each of ththese antennas is a 6 dBi antenna, and it says it supports IPv6. What else have we got on here? If we turn it around, okay, it features a WAN port, it features 3 LAN ports. Again, it says dual band speed up to 1167 Mbps. Okay. And inside the package you will get a wireless router. There will be a power adapter, an Ethernet cable, and an installation guide. So let's go ahead and unbox this and open it up. So that's what you get in the box. There's an Ethernet cable. Put that off to the side. This is your quick installation guide. I do recommend that you should read this so you know exactly how to install this. And this is the router itself. Okay, there's also some more documents. So this is the router itself. As you can see, these are the ports at the back. These of course will go up like that, and that's the power cable. So there you have it, folks. That was the unboxing of the Tenda model AC8 AC1200 dual band gigabit wireless router. We hope you found this video useful. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.